Hello everyone, this is G-Shock High Fashion Channel and welcome to another G-Vlog. Today I'm going to straight away disassemble this DW-9051 series G-Shock watch, which I'm pretty sure most of you guys could already somehow figure out what it looks like from the interior, but regardless, I still have to make this video because, this is my job really. And also, this is not gonna be like one of those of wow video or nerve-wracking video like the ones on the Mod Master disassembly and all those, but this type of video will be like the one that you are gonna watch and you'll be like, oh, yeah, something like that. You get the idea, right? So all this tiny little screw over here, this will be the back plate screws, and this will be the side screw for this protector, the back protector, really, back cushion. Here it is, a little bit different construction. And I believe some of you guys will be wondering, why am I showing you guys all these tiny little screws? Nobody care about the screws and all those, but guys, keep in mind, all of this has resale value. You could literally sell all this, collect all four of this, and you could sell this and gain profits if you really know what you're doing. So that's why this is really important. You guys probably not gonna be doing this, you're not gonna be selling this, but keep in mind, all of this, even this, has a price tag because it is originals, and also it's still in great condition, and it is different from the usual screws out there. But just the way it is, if you're wondering who would pay for all this, I will pay for all this when I need one. Since I've been unboxing a lot of used G-Shock watch, sometimes these screws came to me broken, they got damaged, sometimes lost a screw, then I'm gonna need to get one. So that's why even this spring bar nail, this buckle, this band keeper, all of them has values. Regardless, this is the backplate for this specific model, the DW-9051, which is really rare, and I'm very certain not a lot of people will be able to get this on hand, let alone have a look what's inside. First of all, we're gonna have a look at MJ32 piezoelectric speaker, huge lettering, which pretty different from most G-Shock watch that I disassembled before on the channel, so there's a little difference over there. This will be the O-ring, similar shape, so you could recycle those. This will be the back cushion, similar profile and shape and size as well, so you could recycle this and use on other G-Shock watches that you have laying around. And now this is the engine. I'm pretty sure I could just pry it out. Yeah, seems like we have this side cushion over there, similar to most G-Shock watch construction. This will be the engine. Look at that. The build is pretty much the same as far as I can see. This is the piezoelectric speaker connector. This metal part what connects the battery to the circuit board, I believe. Yeah, or probably sort of like a battery compartment. This resin part in white is the battery compartment. This metal part is what connects all those, and also from the back plate basically connects this compartment to the below layer of compartment or the circuit board, and also all the way to this digital display panel. This here is the side cover for this model in metal, really. So now you know that this watch, even though they look like they're made of resin from the exterior, they have some sort of metal protection still in the inside, which is pretty solid, by the way. So this watch is fully protected, and this is another resin layer, so the shock absorbing structure, there's sort of like a floating module concept thing, so this is how it looks like. There it is, pretty thick type of rubber, very nice. You could still feel the quality in it. This is not like a toy type of plastic, this is something different. And there is the, I believe to be the watch face, right? I'm not sure if I was able to remove it, but anyway, it looks pretty glossy to me. Look at that. So I'm not gonna mess anything with that, probably because this watch is really old, and again, this is a really old model. It's already a vintage category type of G-Shock watch. And this is the bezel of this model, which is similar to the one on a DW-9052 or some what is it, the code name series, the vintage models from the 8800 model. Most of those vintage model looks or use similar bezel. You could interchange between all those if you have one laying around. So that's pretty interesting, right? And if you want to clean it up, or if you want to I don't know, customize this, you could do so as well by following all this process that I just showed you in this video. So let me put the hard case at the back. I don't want to mess anything with those. And this is the resin bezel. This is not the original resin bezel actually, because I just get a replacement parts and use it on this. I mean, if you check the unboxing of the video, I did explain about it a little bit. By the way, if you are wondering, this is how the hard case looks like. It feels pretty lightweight. So when you wear the watch, and the weight actually came in this part. This part feels heavy. This is what gives our G-Shock watch the hefty feels, the quality feels on it. And it is really interesting because every single G-Shock have different weight, and they all almost only effective this, and some tiny little parts. And it got me, I'm impressed of how Casio are able to control the weight of every single G-Shock series to very precisely different from one another, but still the same between the same series. So that's pretty interesting in my opinion. Moving on, this will be the module. It operates on CR2016, I believe, and we have Casio, Malaysia, no jewels over here. So this is what makes this specific engine different from the rest. This time over here means a lot. It tells a story behind the design of this G-Shock watch, where it was made, and the age, and hence give this values, collectible values to the fans. If you don't care about this, then you don't. I mean, this is just for the fans. So really, there is the EL light. Really, I don't want to fully disassemble this because I mean, you guys could already tell or knows what's inside here. I already did a lot in previous videos as well, so I'm just gonna leave it over here just like that and done. I'm gonna be reassemble back, and now you know what's inside a DW-9051, which is apparently similar to DW-9052, but you can never be so sure without actually disassembled it. And now I already did it for you guys, so you don't have to. Anyway, that's it guys. I hope you guys found this video a little bit useful, informative, and entertaining as well for your future reference. Leave a like if this video does help you. And if you would like to see more disassembly video or G-Shock review videos as well, do support me through my Patreon page, and then you're gonna be able to see more and more, and probably win a chance at free G-Shock watch giveaway as well, which will be made when we reach our goal. For now, again, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. This is G-Shock High Fashion Channel, and